Roof vents allow hot air to exit your attic during the summer, keeping it cooler. Most people know this lowers your AC costs, but did you know it also extends the life of your roof? This is because heat is bad for shingles. Overheated shingles break down and deteriorate much faster than normal. Okay, so what? Well, it turns out that 80 to 90% of homes are not properly vented. This is because most builders cut corners and install far fewer than they should. Then, when replacing the roof, most roofers don't bother to fix it since that takes extra time and money. At Cobar, we take a different approach. We are going to make sure your venting is done right.